Good morning, one and all. So last class we are discussing about the OC and SC test. So corresponding circuit parameters is to be calculated. So such as cos pi naught, cos phi SC, R naught, X naught, and finally R01, X01 and Z01. So these are all parameters are called as a circuit parameters of a transformer. So today we are discussing about the very important problems related to the OC and SC test. In a 25 kVA 2000 by 200 volts transformer, the constant and variable losses are 350 watts and 400 watts respectively. So calculate the efficiency on UPF, unity power factor, at full load and off full load. So these two parameters is to be calculated by using given data. So the rating of a transformer, So rating of a transformer is equal to 25 kVA. So voltage 2000 by 200 volts. So constant losses. So that means iron losses. So which is also denoted by Pi. So which is equal to 350 watts. Variable losses. So that means copper losses is equal to PCU is equal to 400 watts. 400 watts. So calculate the efficiency. Calculate the efficiency at UPF. At UPF. So when we are consider as a two conditions. So one is the full load condition. Second one is off full load condition. So in this, so first of all we are writing the efficiency of a transformer. Efficiency of a transformer. So which is equal to, efficiency of a transformer is equal to X into kVA into divided by, so when you are considered as a cos phi power factor into power factor divided by output. So X into kVA into power factor plus Pi plus PCU full load. So which is also multiplied with X square into 100 into 100. So this expression is valid for any type of efficiency is to be calculated whenever the transformer is to be operates on any loaded condition. So in this, the output of a transformer is to be calculated, which is to be multiplied with X. So X is defined as the actual load divided by full load. The actual load divided by full load. So X is a fraction which is defined as ratio of actual load to the full load condition. So based on these two fractions, so we can easily find out the value of X. So in this, so when we are calculating the first parameter, which is equal to efficiency is to be calculated at full load condition. At full load condition. So full load in the sense X is equal to actual load is full load. Full load by full load is equal to 1. Full load divided by full load is equal to 1. So then, so which is to be substituting in place of X. Efficiency at full load is equal to, efficiency at full load is equal to X is equal to 1. kVA rating of a transformer is equal to 25 into 10 cube into 1. So because of power factor, or we can find out the full load efficiency at full load, corresponding power factor is equal to unity. So that's why 25 into 10 cube into 1 divided by 25 into 10 cube into 1 plus iron losses. So iron losses means, so Pi is equal to 350 plus, so X square into PCU. X square is equal to, X is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. So X is equal to 1 into PC is equal to 400. 400 into 100 into 100. So which is equal to. So by simplifying this equation, when we are getting the efficiency at full load condition is equal to 97.08%. So whenever the transformer is to be operates on full load condition, so when we are getting the efficiency of a transformer is equal to 97%. 97%. So case number 2 is, so efficiency is to be calculated at half full load. So in this, so efficiency of a transformer half full load is equal to X into kVA. So kVA into cos phi, that means power factor. X into kVA into cos phi in plus Pi plus X square into full load copper losses. Full load copper losses is to multiplied with 100. So which is equal to, when we are considered as a operating condition of a load on the transformer is equal to half of the full load. So half of the full load means X is equal to actual load by full load. So half into full load divided by full load. Full load gets cancelled. X is equal to 1 by 2. So that means 1 by 2 multiplied with kVA rating of a transformer 25 into 10 cube. 25 into 10 cube into unity power factor divided by half into 25 into 10 cube into 1 plus iron losses are always independent of load. So that means iron loss are always constant. So Pi is equal to 350 plus X square. Copper losses are always depends on load. Load is to be reduced to half of the full load condition. So that's why 1 by 2 whole square into 400 into 100% is equal to, so 12.5. So by simplifying this equation, so when we are getting 96.53. So that means, so this is the general expression of a transformer. We can find out the efficiency. So when we are operating on, or when we are considered as a OC and SC test, open circuit and short circuit test. So the efficiency is to be operated, or transformer is to be operated on full load condition when we are getting 97.08. Another one is 96.53%. 96.53%. So another one is next problem. So the following readings were obtained from OC and SC tests are 8 kVA, 400 by 120 volts, 50 Hz transformer, OC and SC test. So OC test is to be operated on LV side, so which is equal to 120 volts, 4 amperes, 75 watts. Short circuit test on HV side, 9.5 volts, 20 amperes, 110 watts. So calculate the equivalent circuit constants or approximate constants, voltage regulation and efficiency for 0.8 power factor load and efficiency at half load and power factor is equal to 0.8. So first of all we are writing given data. So the rating of a transformer is equal to 8 kVA. So rated voltage, so 400 divided by 200 volts, 120 volts, so 50 Hz. So which is to be operates on OC test. So OC test, so which is equal to, so OC test, so which is equal to 120 volts, 4 amperes, 75 watts. So by conducting short circuit test, 9.5 volts, 20 amperes, another one is 110 watts. So when we are conducting OC and SC test, so based on these two tests, we are getting 120 volts, 4 amperes and 75 watts, 9.5 volts, 20 amperes and 110 watts. So based on these parameters, so we can easily find out so first bit is circuit parameters or approximate constants, approximate or circuit parameters. Circuit parameters are, so by using of given data or by using of OC, open circuit test, so when we are find out the cos phi naught is equal to, so P naught divided by V naught into I naught. So V naught into I naught. So P naught is equal to 75 divided by 120 into 4 amperes. 120 into 4 amperes. 75 divided by 120 into 4 amperes. So which is equal to 0.156. 0.156. 0.156 degrees. 0.156 degrees. So sin phi naught. So square root of 1 minus cos phi naught square. So which is equal to 0.987. 0.987. So these two are the two parameters. So then we can find out the I naught. No load current is equal to, no load current I naught is equal to 4 amperes. Then core loss component IW is equal to I naught into cos phi naught. 4 into cos phi naught is equal to 0.156. 0.156. So is equal to 0.187. 0.187. 0.187. So which is equal to IW. I naught is equal to I naught. So because of OC test is equal to 124 amperes and 75 watts. So full load current is equal to 20 amperes. Full load current is equal to 20 amperes. So corresponding VSC is equal to 9.5. 9.5. So then, from this circuit, so K is equal to 120 divided by 400. 120 divided by 400 is equal to 3 by 10. 3 by 10. So which is equal to, so no load current is to be calculated. I naught is equal to, so K into this current. So that means 4 into 3 by 10 is equal to 1.2 amperes. So because of, whenever the transformer is to be operates on full load condition, so this current is mismatched current. This current is mismatched current. So that's why I naught is equal to 4 into 3 by 10 is equal to 1.2 amperes. So which is equal to 1.2. I naught is equal to 1.2, 0.156. Sin phi naught is equal to 0.197. So which is also is equal to 1.2. 1.2. IW is equal to I naught cos phi naught. IC or magnetizing component is equal to I naught into sin phi naught. So which is equal to, I naught is equal to 1.2 multiplied with sin phi naught is equal to 0.197. 987 is equal to 1.184 amperes. 1.184 amperes. So R naught is equal to so V naught divided by V naught. So that means input voltage or primary voltage. So which is equal to 400. So V1 divided by R naught means IW. IW is equal to 400 volts. 400 divided by IW is equal to 0.187. 0.187. So which is equal to 2139 ohms. X naught is equal to so V1 divided by IM. So which is equal to 400 divided by IM is equal to 1.184. 1.184 is equal to 337.8 ohms. 337.8 ohms. R naught and X naught. So these values is to be calculated from the open circuit test. So then short circuit, by using of short circuit test, so VSC is equal to 9.5 volts. Second one, ISC is equal to 20 amperes. Another one is PSC is equal to 110 watts. 110 watts. So in this, when we are getting the three parameters R01, X01 and Z01, or R02, X02 and Z02, these values is to be depends on the rating of a transformer. High voltage side is always existing on primary side. That's why R01 is equal to PSC divided by ISC square. PSC divided by ISC square. So PSC is equal to 110 divided by 20 square. 20 square is equal to 0.25 ohms. 0.25 ohms. So which is equal to R01. X01 or Z01 is equal to VSC by ISC. VSC by ISC. So which is equal to VSC is equal to 9.5 divided by ISC is equal to 20. ISC is equal to 20. 0.475 ohms. 0.475 ohms. X01 is equal to square root of Z01 square minus R01 square. So which is equal to square root of 0.475 whole square minus R01 is equal to 0.25 square. By simplifying this equation, so when we are getting 0.404 ohms. 404 ohms. So these are the calculated parameters or circuit parameters. So second bit is voltage regulation and efficiency for 0.8 power factor load. So in this, so when we are find out the voltage regulation, second bit, voltage regulation of a transformer is equal to, so we are already know the three parameters, R01, X01 and Z01. So based on that, I1 is also calculated parameters. So I1 is equal to, so before going to the calculation of VR, I1 is equal to, so rating of a transformer is equal to 8 kVA, 8 into 1000 divided by primary voltage. So 400 is equal to 8000 divided by 400 is equal to 20 amperes. 20 amperes. Voltage regulation is equal to I1 into. So in this also voltage regulation and efficiency for 0.8 power factor lagging. So that means I1 R01 cos phi cos phi plus, so plus indicates the lagging power factors, I1 x01 sin phi divided by V1 into 100. So which is equal to, already know the I1 value, 20 into R01. R01 is equal to 0.25. So when you are find out the voltage regulation at 0.8 power factor, 0.8 plus 20 into x01 is equal to 0.404 into, so cos phi is equal to 0.8, sin phi is equal to 0.6 divided by V1. V1 is equal to 400 into 100. So by simplifying this equation, so when we are getting the, by simplifying this equation, 8.85 volts. So numerator of a given equation is equal to 8.85 volts. 8.85 divided by 400 into 100 into, so percentage of voltage regulation is equal to 2.21%. 2.21%. So voltage regulation at 0.8 power factor is equal to, percentage of VR is equal to 2.21%. So in the similar data, we can find out the efficiency at full load, and at power factor is equal to 0.8 lagging. So which is equal to voltage regulation and efficiency of our 0.8 power factor loads. So efficiency is equal to X into kVA into cos phi divided by X into kVA into cos phi plus Pi plus full load copper losses, that means X square into PCU. So which is equal to, X is equal to, so efficiency of a given condition is equal to, so for full load condition X is equal to 1. So that means 1 into 8 into 10 cube into 0.8 divided by 1 into 8 into 10 cube into 0.8 plus iron losses when we are conducting OC test 75 plus, so for full load copper losses is equal to 110 into 100. So full load efficiency is equal to 97.2. So these are the given information. We can find out the full load efficiency of a transformer is equal to 97.2. So third bit is the efficiency at half load and 0.8. So that means X is to be replaced with 1 by 2. So efficiency at half full load is equal to, so 1 by 2 multiplied with 8 into 10 cube into 0.8 power factor load, 0.8 divided by half into 8 into 10 cube into 0.8 plus iron loss is equal to 75 plus 1 by 2 whole square into 110 into 100. So when we are find out the offload conditions, so it is equal to 96.97. 96.97%. So which is equal to, so first of all we can find out the given data. So circuit parameters. So in this 4 amperes is not represented by the no load current. So why? Because, so transformation ratio of a transformer is equal to 120 by 400 is equal to 3 by 10. So open circuit test is to be conducted on LV side, which is equal to secondary side. So but circuit parameters are to be existing in primary side. So that's why which is to be transferred to the primary side. So I naught is equal to 4 into 3 by 10. So which is equal to 1.2 amperes. No load current is equal to 1.2 amperes. So this is very, very important. So before going to the calculation of a given data, so no load current is equal to 1.2 amperes. 1.2 amperes. So cos phi naught is equal to P naught by V naught into I naught. So 75 by 120 into 1.2 into 400, sorry, which is also is equal to 400, which is also is equal to 400. So primary side input voltage is equal to 400. 400 into 1.2 is equal to 0.156. 0.156. So then sin phi naught is equal to 0.987. I naught is equal to 1.2 amperes. IW is equal to I naught into cos phi naught. IM R naught X naught. By using of short circuit test, R01, Z01 and X01. So I1 is equal to 8 into 1000 by 400 is equal to 20 amperes. So that is the current. I1 is the percentage of voltage regulation is equal to I1 R01 cos phi plus I1 X01 sin phi by V1 into 100. So we can substituting all the parameters. Percentage of voltage regulation at lagging power factor is equal to 2.21%. So efficiency at full load is equal to 97.2%. If you have to find out the offload conditions, so when we are getting 96.97%, 97%.